everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and we've got a 14 wide here, a 14 by 70 to be exact, still a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 933 square foot. We call this home the Clemen. And 14 wides are a very, very popular thing when going into a park. On the outside here, we've got lineal trims. You have a couple different options. You know, you can do lineal trims, which are a much more modern look. These are about $116 per window. Or you can do shutters, which are at $78 a pair. So the shutters are a little less expensive, but the lineals are a lot more modern. It really just has to do with how you want to design your home and what look you want to have on your home. We've got flint gray on the outside. And I was really happy to see coming into the home, we've got a nice bright color palette in here. So Casper Cashmere on the walls. We've had that sticking around for a while. Nice wide open living room, open to a kitchen space. And I'll tell you, people really love those corner sinks there. Very popular feature, having the sink in the corner. And the window, kind of kitty corner to that. Kitty corner? Wonder where that word came from, right? Kitty corner? Anyways, my brain some days. Laminate backsplash. This is Roaba Boska on the countertop. White on the cabinets. The one thing I did notice in the kitchen is they did an overhead cabinet in place of a shelf. It's always, always, always a flat shelf over the refrigerator, unless you tell me to change that. There's your bank of drawers. A separate utility room, which you could put a door right here to hide all of your laundry. It's all about stashing things, right? Throwing your dishes in the oven. I'm not speaking from experience, but you know, last minute, the mother-in-law shows up. You gotta stuff everything away so she doesn't judge you. Primary bedroom. I'm not sure about that. Walk-in closet in the primary bedroom. You guys know me, I would double up the racks there. It's tough for me to walk into these homes that are designed by other people that I didn't help a customer design, because I'd be like, I can do this, I would do that. I would put a medicine cabinet there, a square sink, just all the things, right? But that's what's fun about jumping into these homes just spontaneously, because I never know what I'm going to find in there. This is a new tub for us this year, by the way. I want to say it's a lot more square, and it's deeper. It's deeper than last year's tubs. And also, we've got a shelf there for all your beauty products. Let me show you, for example, how deep this tub is. It's coming up to my knee. I'm 5'2", 5'3" on a good day. So that's a nice deep tub. Much deeper than last year. All right, single vanity here. And now tissue bars and toilet paper holders, that's something we can do for you. I will tell you that most customers they want to do their own, save a little bit of money. Now, inline sectional heating right here. That means your registers are going to be right down the middle of the floor. And that's okay in this room because it wouldn't hit a bed, right? The bed's probably going to go on that wall, but you never know. Depending on the layout, you can pretty much figure out how they're going to be laid out, because see, they're going to go right down the middle. So nice living room size for a 14 wide. Of course, a 16 is a little more spacious, but when you're going into an older park, the majority of them are 14 wides. Here's a prime example of what the Mobile Home Mama would do here. Window for sure, because when I shut this door, I just want to show you guys the difference. When there's no light coming in here, let's just take it a step further. What if we shut this door too? Let's shut them all. Let's see what happens. To a hallway. When you don't, there's no light in there either, so we'll leave that one fine. This is what happens to a hallway. And so imagine, there's one can light up there, but imagine at nighttime, it's really dark. But just adding one window here will change the whole ambiance of the house. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 closet. So really, you could take all the wonderful things and put it in a 14 wide. It just depends on what your budget is, and mostly though, it depends on the property or the lot size that you're going to fit your home into. By the way, Champion is lowering all of its homes, the cost of the homes. We want to be very competitive this summer, so bring your budget to me. We will find a home that fits. I promise you that. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. I'll put you in a very nice hotel, you and your family. You can come to the factory. I'll show you how they're made, and we'll walk through some homes. I don't care if you're adventurous. We can jump through some homes out on the lot. It's a good time, and we're a top-notch company, and we would love to earn your business. As always, thanks for watching.